Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today we're gonna do it again. The person I talked to with GameStop called me or texted me, and we met up yesterday, and he says he's got another one for me today. So I am heading to Long Beach, which is about a 2-hour drive from here. So another long day ahead of me. Um, Sorry it's so bright, but I had to get up super early. You can see it's super bright. Look at the sun right there, man. But yeah, I'm heading out right now. Hopefully enjoy these little videos. Anyways, let's get going. All right, heading into GameStop. Oh, hold on, it's too bright here. To get you a little closer, 80-90% off. Today is the last day. This is the Long Beach store. I'm gonna head in there and see what they have. Gotta wait outside because a few people went in front of me. So, alright, let's see what they got. It's a cool area. They have a little strawberry stand over there. Oh, you can't see it, it's too bright. But yeah, let's do this again. Alright, next GameStop is done. We are cleaned out. Oh, not the shelves. They can have the shelves. I don't want those. Did a pretty good job. There's some black cases. You want to come down? That was nice. I left him 2 games. Here you go. It's Anthem and Anthem. And they weren't selling these gotcha bot machines. Or I would have taken them. They're cool. I don't know what I would have done with them, but that's it. We are empty. Last day of the store. Alright, that's it. I'm leaving right now. Not as big as a haul as the last 2 places, but got a bunch of games and a bunch of games that they had like in the drawer. So I did do pretty good haul. Thank God they had a bunch in the drawer. Had to keep you high because a bunch of people are walking in. But yeah, left them with I think Anthem, and that's about it. And 1 broken figure. Alright, take you to my car, show you what I got. If it wants to open for me. Alright. You can see, not as big of a haul. Got a bunch of accessories. Some figures, not much. A bunch of games. The only money makers really here are the ones going to be the ones like they're out of the cases, so nobody actually got them. There's a bunch of those. There's a bag of those. If I can find the bag. I got these games. I don't know if they're going to sell very well. They're actually 99 cents. They were $1. I don't know why they had the clearance sticker. There you go. There's the right clearance sticker. So they were $1. Got these for 10 cents or 9 cents. I don't know why I wanted more piggies, but I did. Got a few more Harry Potter figs. They don't sell for much. Got these for 49 cents. Bunch of these, all different ducks. Got a bag of ducks. Like I said, the real moneymaker is going to be all the empty. There you go. Like, there's a bunch of games that didn't have any cases, so they weren't picked over. They were just sitting in the drawer. And when I said, "Hey, give me everything in your drawer," those are going to be the money makers. Anyways, I'm going to head over there. You see over there. There's a strawberry stand. Probably going to go get over there and get some strawberries. And then start heading home because I have to start listing all this stuff. Kind of glad there's not a ton of stuff left in that store. because, well, you've seen the last video where I have so much stuff. It's just too much right now. So, alright, take care. Alright, so quick update. I'm actually back at GameStop. The manager called me and said, hey, if you wanted to be the end buyer, I'll give you everything at 95% off, whatever's left. Make sure you take everything in the store. So I'm like, I guess so. There wasn't much left in the store. I kind of took everything, so I guess the other end buyer backed out and he called me in. So I'm back at the store, gonna get whatever's left. There wasn't much, like I showed you in the video, there wasn't much left, but there was a few like new games like Anthem that I really didn't want, and some loose items like loose batteries for like Switch and Wii U, and just a bunch of little things. Some fans for Apple phones, some fans I plug in, just small, just nothing items, stuff that I really didn't want. But hey, at 95% I could do something with them. But yeah, that's just a quick update. I am heading home now. It is, I think it's around 2 o'clock, so I've been here about 2 hours cleaning out the store. So it's about 2 o'clock, and I'll be heading back home, and I gotta start sorting out all the different games that I got. I started sorting out yesterday. I started sorting the Xbox games, so I'll start with Xbox One, get all those sorted, and then after that I will go into PlayStation and just gotta stop fiddle farting around and getting things done. Alright, bye. Alright, I made it home, and it's actually a week later. I didn't make an outro to the video, so I'm like, I have to make an outro, and I have some pretty big news. I'm actually going to be, in the next 10 days, I'm going to be clearing out 3 more GameStops. So it's going to be a lot more fun. Hopefully you enjoy these videos, because they're a lot of fun to make and a lot of fun to do. So 2 of them, I'm going to be the end buyer at 95%, so I'll be clearing them out at the last day. And the other one, I'll be around 90%. So I won't be the end buyer, but I'll be pretty close, because you know how I do. I'm probably going to clean them completely out. So it'll be a lot of fun. But before I go, I wanted to show you something. You can see this is Pokemon Eevee. I have 2 of these, plus some Mario games and a few other ones that they don't even pay attention to because they don't have cases. So I believe some of the employees don't even believe they're valuable because they don't have cases, or they believe people don't want them, or maybe they're just stuck in the drawer. So if you ever go to a GameStop closing out and the percentage is high, ask them for all the games that don't have any cases in their drawer, because they can be worth way more money than any other cases or any other games on the shelves. So make sure you go and ask for the games that don't have cases, because just those 2 alone are going to pay for most of my haul. Plus I have a bunch more that don't have any cases. I showed you in the video that I have a big stack of them that just don't have any cases. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.